Most traders I know want to be accommodated by the market. They want to be able to show up when they show up, have the market produce a good setup that they can make money in, and then leave when they want to leave. And I totally get it. If your schedule dictates that you can only trade from 9:30 to 10:30 or 11, then that's what your schedule is. But often you'll find that time constraint limits your chances to be profitable in the market. But there is a way you can adjust. My name is Steven. I'm a former market maker, an arbitrage expert. And today I'll show you how you can take the most advantage of trading for a limited amount of time. For me personally, I generally am trading whatever I'm trading, whether it's the Qs or an individual stock. I'm trading on a 2-minute time frame intraday, and this is the Qs. So I'm looking for setups off of the 2-minute. And I'm looking for things like a power bar trade, a reversal trade, a waterfall trade that can all occur over the course of the day. If you only have an hour to trade and then you have to go pick up the kids or go to work, or you're retired and you only want to work for an hour a day in the morning, the way to take advantage of that is to drop to a lower time frame. The 2-minute works for me because I'm trading all day long. A 5-minute works for some people because they like to see trades happen in a little bit slower development period. So with the 5-minute, you don't have to be as quick on the trigger. But if you've only got a really short amount of time to trade, drop to the lowest time frame, the 1 minute, and look for trades on that time frame. You can get some really good trades on the 1-minute chart. Just because your favorite guru or teacher uses a 2 or a 5 or a 10 doesn't mean you can't take the setups that they use, just like I do, and put them on a 1-minute chart. This is the power bar setup on a 1-minute chart of Qs. If you only had until 10:30 to trade today, you had two really good setups off the power bar trade. Right? This fired at 10 o'clock. It gave you a really nice power bar. The power bar is simply a candle that's larger than the candles around it that clears resistance here to the left, begins at or near the anchor line, which is for me the 20 simple moving average. You'll see that's the only technical tool I have on my charts other than my personally designed power bar indicator. So I want that power bar near the 20. I want the 20 in the direction of the trend. This is the entry near the top of that power bar. So basically here, with a stop at the bottom of the power bar, which is down here. And you end up again with a really nice profit. You get another power bar at 10:20 that ends up with a really nice profit. These TPs, the first one is 1 times your risk, 1.5 times your risk for the second, and 2 times your risk for the third. The same thing here. This move higher gave this trade with which had an entry here and a stop here, right? This was 1.5 times the risk in the trade, and this was 2 times the risk in the trade. Again, I just use my indicator to point these out. It's linked to in the description below. If you want the power bar cheat sheet, which is a description of the power bar, I have a cheat sheet that you can get for free. Just comment power in the comments below. This trade, if you're wondering what this is, actually from the prior day. So this would have been a swing trade that also worked. But the important piece from this is you don't have to trade all day to see setups. Again, two really nice setups and you're done basically by 10:30, 10:40, trading on the 1 minute chart. And if you want to stick to the 1 minute, if that's your thing, the power bar is a great tool to use for that. Here was a setup, a short setup later in the day. Again, entry here with a stop at the top of the power bar. Here, it begins at or near the 20, which has rolled and is moving lower at this point. And 20 minutes later, you have 2 times your risk and profit. 1.5 times your risk and profit. And then another 20 minutes later, half an hour, there's where you get to 2 times your risk and profit. But again, this is on the 1 minute chart. If you're trading on a 2 or a 5 and you're finding you're not getting enough opportunities to trade during the day, drop your time frame. Go to a 1 minute chart. Look for the same patterns. Again, for me, the power bar, reversal trade, waterfall trade, all these I've done videos on YouTube. And you can trade all of those setups, again, throughout the day on the 1 minute chart. But if you're looking for more trades, again, lower time frame. If you're using the 5, drop to the 2. If you're using the 2, drop to the 1. Same setups, different time frame, more opportunities. You'll have more stop outs because you're doing more trades. But your win probability should be about the same on the 1 minute versus the 2 minute. You're just doing a higher number of trades. And like I said, if you think you can't trade because you learned that you trade on a 15-minute chart and you only have an hour a day to trade, so you never get an actual setup, again, just drop the time frame that you're trading and trade the exact same setups. Again, if you want access to my indicator, which is for the power bar, signals these longs and shorts and the take profit levels, it's linked to in the description below. If you want my cheat sheet, comment power in the comments. I hope this video helped you with your trading. If it did, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll keep making more videos like this. Thanks.